Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. So, guys, let me know about your thoughts about the market. I hope that everyone must be doing good and they are stay at homes and you must be taking a good care of your health, guys. So, guys, you know that we are doing live sessions from few days, and we started this live streaming, and we do scalping in this live scaling streaming period. And what we will do, you will send your trading calls, and I will simply execute it on my real account, guys. You can see this is the Exness real account. This is not a demo account. So you will provide me with the calls and I will simply execute those trades on my MetaTrader 4. So guys, as we have members joining in our trading room, so we will start the trading later on. But right now we do not have enough members, so let's wait for some time. So guys, meanwhile, I recommend those subscribers who watch this live stream, who are watching this live stream, and who watch the live stream on later basis, then I recommend them to please share your live stream with share this live stream with everyone, so that we can increase our YouTube community on 200 forex pips. Okay, guys, so how you are feeling? So let me know about it by using the chat box here. And meanwhile, we will catch more members on the screen and then we will go for live trading. Okay, guys, today it is Monday, so maybe the market is uh, quite slow. So we will do some sort of scalping. It depends. So maybe this could not be a very good profitable day for us, but let's see overall, because we have to uh, I was just thinking, because overall the last 2 hours were quite fine, because we have seen a lot of some volatility, not we can say a lot of volatility in the trading market. So that's why I decided to go for the live stream. So guys, those who are watching this live stream, please press the like button so that we can be appreciated and we will share our live streaming with everyone. Okay, Rosie is hard said. Rosie, hi, how are you? So, Rosie, we are here for the live session. You subscribers will let me know about the trades, and I will simply execute those trades without asking any type of questions. So we have started this live streaming few days ago, and overall we are doing very good. What are indicators you are using? So Rosie, if you want to get these indicators, then for this you need to send your inquiries on info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. Ruben Martino, welcome Ruben. Okay, Rosie, you are new here, so you need to contact me on email. That's info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. Solomon Kenneth said, video not loading here. Well, brother, please check your internet connection because it's working fine at my end. So, Muhammad Umair, Assalamu alaikum, brother. Walaikum assalam, Muhammad Umair. How are you, brother? So, basically, we are just to the live stream. So, guys, those who are watching this live stream, please press the like button as well. So, Salesh Patel said, hi, brother. How are you? So, guys, this is the your trading live room, and you will suggest me with the trades, and I will simply place the trades on my MT4. Abdul Wahid, walaikum assalam. Thank you so much, brother. You are here. So, guys, we have few members in our trading room. Sean Bowen said, "Hey, people. Hi, Sean. How are you? Welcome to my trading room." So you will post your calls here, and I will simply execute those trades on my MT4 terminal. And previously, I was simply doing the trading by myself, but later on, I decided that in this way, maybe you will not be able to learn. So that's why I'm here to rectify your mistakes. You will tell me where to trigger a trade, and I will simply take a trade based on your opinion without asking any questions. So anyone who is going to recommend me with the first trade, then I am open to the trading suggestions right now. And meanwhile, guys, okay, Muhammad Umair said USD CHF buy. Okay, Muhammad Umair, I'm going to buy it. Market is slow, man. Open wasn't bad. It's slow down. Yes, brother. Market is a bit slow overall. So, but just for the sake of the learning, we are doing this live session. It was also dead slow on Friday. Friday was not good for trading, and even I was stuck into my personal trade as well. You can see I made a loss on AUD USD on that I closed in the morning today. So basically, it went into the loss, but overall we have done a great job throughout the week, and we have caused this much profit. On the screen you can see it here. This is the live account, this is not a demo account. So guys, okay, Salesh Patel said Euro USD sell. Okay, Salesh, I am going to sell Euro USD as per your recommendation. So I have placed my sell orders. So anyone, one of my subscriber who is going to suggest me with any trade, so that we can get started straight away. Okay, guys, those who are watching this live stream, I can see on the screen that we have only 3 likes till now. That's really not good. So, those who are watching this live stream, please press the like button and start sharing this live stream so that we can have many members in this trading room, and then we will be able to do more good trading in this way. Okay, guys. So two subscribers has suggested me with a trade. So one subscriber has suggested me with a USD CHF buy trade, whereas the other one has suggested me with a sell trade on Euro USD. So guys, we will see how these trades go on. So right now I am open to suggestions. We have more trade cushions. So the first you will recommend, the trade will be triggered at my end. So guys, like this live streaming, because still only 4 likes and we have more members watching this live stream. So please like this live stream, so that and also keep on sharing this live stream so that we can catch many members in this trading room, and then it will become a community, and that's good for trade during that time. Thank you. The likes get started. So guys, you also place your like button, put the like, just make the like button blue after pressing it, so that it can help us to grow on a YouTube community. Okay, guys, gold. Solomon Kenneth said gold. Solomon, let me tell you, I'm not trading into gold, because right now these days spread has been so much increased on gold, and overall there is a lot of volatility on gold. That's why we are only stuck to the currency pairs these days. So if you have any suggestions regarding the currency pairs, then you can simply post it here. Okay, guys, what do you think about the rest of pairs? So just let me about your thoughts, and we will simply place the trades based on your opinion. Okay, guys, what do you think about the USD JPY? Let me know about your thoughts. What do you think about the USD JPY? Look at here, this is the oversold levels of the trading system, and this is the overbought levels. Okay, Rosie Izhar said buy. Okay, I'm going to take up buy position on USD JPY, and that's recommendation from Rosie Izhar. Thank you so much that you have recommended us. So guys, basically, if our trades go into loss or whatever, if they go into profit, then I will tell you the pros and cons of this. Great Britain Pound New Zealand buy. So brother, let me check if we have Great Britain Pound New Zealand here. I don't think so that it is attached to the chart. Let me see if it's quoted by broker. So Great Britain Pound New Zealand, another pair is going to be added, guys. So please repeat your trade, because your comment went invisible. So please repeat your trade. Was that buy or sell on Great Britain Pound New Zealand? And meanwhile, I'm attaching the trading indicators to here, so that we can get started with it. So guys, please post your trades here so that we can get started. Okay, guys, let me know what was the trade on Great Britain Pound New Zealand. Was that a buy trade or was that a sell trade? Let me know again, because your comment get invisible. So those subscribers who want their comment to be visible in front of my mobile screen for the longer period of time, then you need to use the super chat option. You can see a dollar sign on the screen, and then you will be able to set up the minutes, that how long you want your comment to be in front of me, and then you can use the super chat option. So guys, also it's recommended that you should use the super chat option, so that I can easily read your comments. Okay, guys, we are getting somehow profit on USD JPY. Look, it come into the profit. Let's see how long it goes. So right now we are not going to close that one. So overall, guys, it's Monday, and we will rely on smaller profits, because the momentum is normally slow on Monday, so we cannot catch as much as we thought. Okay, guys, what is your recommendation about Great Britain Pound JPY? Let me know about your thoughts here on Great Britain Pound JPY. Guys, tell me what is your thought? Great Britain Pound JP USD sell. Okay, let me have a look. Great Britain Pound USD recommendation by Salish. He said sell. Okay, I did. Okay, guys, one trade I am adding from my side is the Great Britain Pound JPY. I am going to take a buy position that's based on my personal trade. So Raja Shekhar said buy. Yes, Raja, I have just executed the buy trade with the one lot size on Great Britain Pound JPY. That's my personal trade. So I respect all your trades. So don't worry about this. This is your trading room. So you will suggest me with the tradings and I will simply go with your trade. So overall, guys, the volatility is very less into the market. So, but overall, this would be a learning session. Maybe we are not able to do something good. Buy USD Canadian dollar recommended by Jagjit. Okay, Jagjit, I am going to set up the lot size to 0.10 and placed a buy order. Okay, guys, what's next, guys? Any suggestions? So, guys, meanwhile, do not forget to like this live streaming and share this live streaming on YouTube so that we can have more members in our trading live room and we can get started. And meanwhile, you will learn a lot from this live stream. So the better live streams will be on, like you can say that when the market will be volatile, maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday. It depends on the market momentum. Like guys, you can expect. Have you expected on Friday that the market will be this much slow? But overall, the market went so much slow on Friday. Rayan Mosam, good morning. Rather, it's good afternoon from my side because we have a maybe we have a different time zone. So good afternoon from my side. Thank you so much. And maybe this is good morning for you. So good morning from my side as well. Okay, guys, this is your trading live room, and you will suggest me with that trade. So right now, I have just taken one trade based on my opinion, and rest of the trades you have what you have advised. I have simply taken those trades, and I will let you know that where we have mistaken in our trades, and in this way, you will be able to understand that. That where you people do mistakes using this trading system or whatever if you're even using the another indicators, then I really do not recommend. So guys, we are using these indicators. Okay, Ruben Martino, Euro Great Britain Pound buy. Okay, Euro Great Britain Pound. So let me have a look. Okay, he said buy. So I have placed the buy order. So let's get started with it. So let's see how it goes. So overall, guys, you people have have recommended me with a lot of pairs, and we have a lot of pairs. Jagdish Chandra, you have already advised with one of the trades. So brother, let give the chance to other members as well. Rayan Mosam, Great Britain Pound, JPY sell. Rayan Mosam, I have taken a buy position already on Great Britain Pound JPY. So we cannot take two trades at the same time. So that's my personal trade that I have traded with the one lot size, and you can see the rest of the trades are taken with the 0.10 lot size. So if I had not a trade on this one, then brother, I must be taking a trade based on your opinion. So guys, right now, how many trades are triggered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So guys, what I have thought is this: we can trade up to maximum 10 pairs at the time, and meanwhile you will keep on sending your suggestions. So we have a cushion for the further 3 trades. So let me know about your thoughts because market is also very slow because it's Monday, and normally the Monday the market behavior is not as much good. So basically at first instant I thought that I should not go for live streaming because there is a chance that we can lose today. But overall I said I decided that my subscribers must be waiting for me because I have given them the time. The 2 MT GMT plus 5 is my trading time. when I send the calls to, when we do the live streaming. So I thought that at least I should go online and let's see what we can do today. Maybe this is going to be a losing day, but no problem. So I will manage it with my other trades, so that's not a problem. So right now, guys, whatever you people have recommended, then only USD JPY somehow. Look at here. No, sorry, Great Britain Pound JPY USD is somehow into the very little profit. So guys, we cannot catch this much little profits. You can see this is just 0.60. Okay, guys, like this live streaming, and as well as please USD CHF buy. Brother, we have already a recommendation from Tiger Solar said USD CHF buy. So, brother, one of the subscriber already recommended with a USD CHF trade. You can see on the screen. So, sorry, I cannot trigger this one again because we have already a buy position. So, we trade one pair at the same time. Okay, guys, what's next? Looking for the other pairs as well. Okay, guys, the momentum that made a loss for me on AUD USD was this pair. So basically, it got stuck within a range. So I had closed my one of my trade that was executed on Friday on a loss because I was stuck with that trade. It wasn't really good to trade AUD JPY on that time. So guys, do not recommend anything which is just leaning on a certain level. But overall, you can recommend me with other trades as well. That's not a problem. So guys, are your suggestions ended or you are going to provide me with more suggestions? What do you think? And guys, what do you think about the trades that you have recommended to me, because all of them are going into loss till now? So what do you think? What should be the next step? Okay, don't worry about it. If they go into loss, I will manage it. Ruben Martino, Canadian dollar CHF, brother, Canadian dollar CHF. Let me see if we have this one because we have already so many pairs added here. Canadian dollar JPY is added. Canadian dollar JPY. Okay, I'm going to close this one. Canadian dollar CHF. Brother, why don't you suggest anything that we are already trading, because our chart ratio is going very much high. Okay, well, it's not supported by my broker as well. So guys, come up with other suggestion. No problem, Ruben. Thank you so much. Just you are still a part of this community. It is not supported by my broker. I have just checked. It does not come into. Okay, guys, we are getting a profit on Great Britain Pound USD, and I have closed it at 3.50. So first of all, let me know who recommended me with that trade, Great Britain Pound USD sell. Come up with your names who recommended me with a sell position on Great Britain Pound USD. Who recommended me with a sell position on Great Britain Pound USD, because we have just closed it at 3.50. Moreover, guys, you can see I have done little bit trading during the afternoon session, caught 200.20, 18.55, 150.00, 180.18, and that was massive trading because I was just about to. Okay, Salesh Patel that said that he recommended me with a sell position on Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, guys, Salesh was quite pretty right, because you can see this is the overbought levels of the market, and look at the close of the previous candles. It was making the bearish pattern. Overall, the market is slow, but right now his suggestion was good. Bro, I have a question. Is this long-term trade while oil 2K counter the Rian Mozam? I do not do into the commodity section. Pin center indicator angle momentum will give any signal to Raja Shaker. Pin centric indicator angle momentum. Brother, I do not understand your question. What you are trying to say? And also, if you want your comment to be visible in front of me for the longer period of time, then please use the super chat option. Okay, Euro Great Britain Pound is in the profit. So guys, today I am closing the trades on a smaller profits because I just want to do more. So 2.50, 2.88, that is fine. Okay, who recommended me with a buy position on Euro Great Britain Pound? Let's appreciate that guy, because that was a good call from him, and let me know that why it was a good call. So come up with your name who recommended me with a buy position on Euro Great Britain Pound. is customized. No, you cannot customize it. Okay, Ruben Martino said he recommended me with the buy position. Okay, guys, Ruben was pretty fine, because if you look at here, the market was into the oversold levels, and first of all, he read the behavior of the candle, that the candle was pumping up, so it was overall a very good time to buy euro greater than pound as per the trading system. You can see it was completely into the lower red boundaries, so that's why we have taken a scalping chance. So guys, you can ask a question that why I'm trading with I'm taking small break profits today. Only because, guys, this is Monday and I do not want to get stuck with my trades. Overall, I will have to wait with my tradings. Okay. Okay, guys, what's next? Let's see. We have closed two trades right now. Okay, one of the trade is in loss, is on Great Britain Pound JPY, but that's my personal trade. I will recover it, and even I have will have to recover it from the other trade, and I will do it. Hello, the guy with the solid signals is back. Okay, Tech Moha. So let's see how solid are your signals. So post your signal here, because also we are facing the slower momentum of the market. So let's see how well you can do in this trading session. Okay, USD JPY still fighting, but overall it's still bullish. So we can say that overall it's a good time. And even USD CHF fighting due to the slow momentum. So guys, overall I'm not loving the way the market is behaving right now, because it's very slow. But just for the sake of the session. Okay, Simfi said how long you hold the trades on average. So basically, it depends on the market momentum. Okay, so for example, look at here. I hold the AUD USD trade from Friday, because if you look at from Friday, then the market was moving nowhere. So that's why I hold the trades, and later on I closed it in the morning. So guys, otherwise if it's reversing like this, if it keeps on going down, then definitely I will not going to be hold that trade. So right now, Great Britain Pound JPY, if you ask, then it has gone nowhere. It is just near to my entry, so not a big loss on that one. Because if you look at the previous trade that I have executed today, you can see 180, 188, 150, 200. So I have caught this much already. So do not worry about this, because I know my trading style. I will manage it. So don't worry about it, guys. So guys, come up with your more suggestions on the trades, so that we can execute more trades. And also guys, those subscribers who are watching this live stream, please do not be miser by giving the like. So please press the like button. Rajat Marma, you need to contact me on my email, that is info@200forexpips.com. You will get all the details about the indicators. Okay, guys, press the like button, because I can only see that there are only 10 likes till now. So this is not good. So guys, you should have at least given more likes. Did you get into Euro USD trade? Yes, Sean Brown, one of my subscriber, recommended me to take a sell position on Euro USD, and I already did. So we are already into it. If you have another trading suggestion, then you can simply post your suggestion here. And we are also doing some sort of trading by manual also. I mean, I'm also adding up my trades as well. So right now, let me have a look on USD Canadian dollar, because guys, there was a mistake in USD Canadian dollar. I will let that I will let that subscriber know. So if you want me to tell the mistake, then first of all, tell me who recommended me with a buy trade on USD Canadian dollar. Who recommended me with that trade? Because meanwhile, we will also get rid of the trades as well. Okay, Jagdish Chandra, you said I know as looks are turning around. Okay, Jagdish, it's you. So Jagdish, I am putting the line here, and you can see you have recommended with a buy signal, but overall the market was just moving at a certain level. It was not keeping any type of momentum, and you recommended me with a buy position. But however, on the longer time frame, it looks bullish to me. So that is why I will prefer it to hold it for the longer period of time. But otherwise, always look at the pattern. The pattern should be in one way. So for example, look at Great Britain Pound, Euro Great Britain Pound, it went down, and then the pattern was changing. So that's why my subscribers has pointed us to take a buy position on Euro Canadian. It's good indicator. I'm using it from 2 years. Thank you, Expand Wiz. It's a very good indicator, definitely. Uh, Look, brother, you cannot post your Facebook links here because this is the live trading room, and maybe the indicator that you are using is bit entirely different from me because there is always a programming behind that indicator. You need to know that there were a lot of indicators were built on the same technology, but your programming might be different from mine as well. Okay, guys, so come up with your further suggestions. So let's do more trading as well. That's not a problem. So we have a cushion to take more trades. So just have a look on the different charts like Euro, okay, we are already into Euro USD. USD CHF pumped a bit down, USD Canadian dollar in the middle, Great Britain pound JPY again it's stuck at a midpoint. Okay, AED USD we cannot trade this one because we will not trade the pair that is just flat, completely flat. So guys, that's not a good option to go with it. Okay, Euro JPY somehow reacting. AED JPY is also a bit slow. You can see New Zealand USD as well, bit slow. Canadian dollar JPY. So guys, what do you think about Canadian dollar JPY? What should be our approach on this pair? What do you think so? What do you think about Canadian dollar JPY, guys? Please post your comment here so that I will also come to know that what my subscribers think about Canadian dollar JPY. Okay, no suggestions about Canadian dollar JPY, guys. Come on. I know. Okay, Jagjit Chadra said bullish. Okay, so let's have a try with 0.10 lot size. We are going with a bullish trend on Canadian dollar JPY. But guys, you have seen that spread is slightly high on this one. That's why, guys, I always recommend that you should stick to the 10 pairs that is in my signals report. Canadian dollar, Great Britain pound, Canadian dollar. Okay, just let me have a look if I have this pair. What was your Great Britain pound, Canadian dollar sell recommendation? So I have taken a sell position. Canadian dollar JPY sell by Muhammad Umair. So Canadian dollar JPY. So brother, we are already into that trade, so we cannot trigger further trade into that. So any other suggestions will be highly welcome. We are already into that trade, guys, so we cannot trade the one pair double. So let's have a look on other pairs. The rest of the pairs looks very slow to me. And look at the stylish pattern that how USD CHF made. It was completely into ranging. I love this pattern. It was like a very dangerous thing to go on. Anyhow, guys, come up with your next suggestions because this is your trading live room and you will have to tell me about your suggestions. What do you think about the particular trades? And guys, moreover, let me tell you, those who want to get this trading system, those subscribers who are willing to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, or you want to get the signals coaching from me, then for all this, you need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Okay, guys, also please like this live streaming, share this live streaming as much as you can so that we can have maximum viewers in our trading room. Okay, guys, so right now we are into running losses on almost all of the pairs. And what do you think? Should we trade more or should we wait for a bit more time so that we can see how trades are going to perform at our end? Euro Canadian dollar slightly pumping up. Overall, the guys, the market is very slow, and that happened on Mondays that we can expect such type of behavior. So let's see. So right now, what we have concluded during the last week is this much 3510.75, and we have done a lot of trading during the previous week sessions. You can see these are the results that we have achieved during the last trading week. because we started from 6th of April and today it's 13th of April. That's what we have caught till now. So we have done a massive trading. So many trades were executed from our side, and we have caught much. Okay, guys, one of the trade is in profit. That is Great Britain pound, Canadian dollar. No, sorry, that's the account history. So there is no trade into profit right now, so we cannot decide at the moment. Okay, guys, why you people are so afraid of giving the suggestions to me? So post your suggestions here so that AUD sell right now, brother. Why are you recommending me with the different pairs? Because we have a lot of pairs already. Okay, we have. So you said sell. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm going to take a sell position on AUD recommended by I think so Tech Moha recommended me with taking a sell position. Anyhow, that's fine. But just check Tech Moha that are you fine with that trade, because I caught something from your trade. I will tell you later on. So maybe this could be a good option, but I have found a one mistake in your trade, brother. Anyhow, buy Euro Great Britain pound. Euro Great Britain pound. So are we into it already? No. Buy Euro Great Britain pound. So let's see, brother. Okay, buy again. We have already placed a buy order on this one and we already profited from that one. You can see here we got 2.87 on that trade. So we again re-entered because the trade was not active on that time. So as per my subscriber suggestion, I have re-entered into the trade. Okay, guys, those subscribers who have not subscribed the YouTube channel, they must subscribe it, because you will getting a lot of stuff in the form of videos, as well as you will be learning a lot of things from the live streaming. So make sure that you should not miss that opportunity. Sai Sarkar ji sell Great Britain pound CHF. So let me have a look. Are we into that trade? Brother, you can recommend me with one trade right now. So first of all, come up with your one trade. What do you think for right now? Because one person is allowed to send the one recommendation at the time. So if his recommendation goes well, then we will. Even if it goes wrong, that's not a problem. Then we will trade another pair, and I will rectify your mistakes like this. So please come up with your final recommendation so that I can take a decision on that trade. Okay, guys, we are already stuck on most of the pairs due to the slow momentum. So what do you think, guys? Overall, the market is slow right now. Even USD JPY, look, it was making a nice bullish pattern, but slightly it's pumped back again. So we will have to wait right now and we will have to see what's going on. Buy in Euro USD, brother. We are already in a sell position on Euro USD, Sean Brown, because it was recommended by one of my subscribers. So until unless we do not done, then we cannot trade Euro USD, because a sell was recommended by one of my subscribers. So we will have to wait on this one. So if you have any other suggestion, then you can please post it here. Okay, right, guys. Mondays are not very much good to trade. That's what I also advise to my signals report subscribers who are subscribed to my signals report. Sometimes I send a note with my signals that you need to be very careful while trading on Monday, especially because the market makes these smaller moves, and it becomes a risky option that you can you can stuck in between your trades. So that's why Mondays are sometimes not good for trading. Yes, it's bank holidays as well. So, bro, what I think, what is the slower? No, so it's been slower, and also I have told by my broker that that there are some Eastern holidays as well. Euro USD is not a sell. Tech Moha sell. Get out. Okay, Tech Moha. I cannot. Oh, I cannot tell you my signal about Great Britain Euro USD. I already know what you are talking about, but right now it was a recommendation from my subscribers. If you take my trade, Great Britain sell should be up 9 pips. Well, Ryan Mosam, you might be right, but overall, uh, brother, I'm thinking with a different opinion because so right now, even if you look at the 4 hour chart, we are still into the bullish pattern and going for the weekly chart. So let's see. So even if you look at the weekly chart, then still we do not have enough bearish signs at the moment. So let's see. I will hold that trade, that's not a problem. So we'll hold for later period of time. So guys, we are catching like 2.79 and 86 on Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. So what do you think? Should we close this one? 2.72. Okay, let's close this one because we want to do. Uh, thanks, sir. Thanks, Mozam. Okay, Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. So Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. Let's me have a look. Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. Okay, guys, there are so many pairs, so it's really hard. So who recommended me with a Great Britain pound Canadian dollar sell position? So come up with the name, guys. Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. Okay, where it is. Okay, that was Ryan Mozam. So Ryan, let me find out the chart first because we have so many charts here, so it's really difficult to find. Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. Just a second, Shaker. Great Britain pound Canadian dollar here. Okay, guys. Ryan was pretty fine because he recommended me with a sell trade as per the trading system. So guys, you can see that we have taken the sell position on Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. The market was already into the overbought levels, and then he read the behavior of the market. The candle was pumping down there. So first of all, in the initial few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes, always it's best that you analyze the pattern of the candle. So once it looks like that it's going bearish, then you can go into the same direction. So it was a good call from Brian, and that's why we have profited from it. Okay, guys, what could be the more suggestions, because right now we are stuck in between our trades. uh, okay, Ryan, one thing, look at the Great Britain pound JPY. Still, it's deciding where to go on, and even if you look at the price action monitor, it's pumped up. And if we go to the 4 hour chart, and then you will see a different thing, that price after the downward trend, that's the red line, and then the trend is making the dot lines here. It means that it can reverse back to the green signal on Great Britain pound JPY. So I look at most of the factors. Overall, it looks bullish to me at the first instance. That's why I have took the trade on this one. So you might be right that it can go down, but overall, right now, as per my suggestions and whatever I think, that even if you look at the 4 hour chart, then I'm going to zoom this candle, then you can see it's overall bullish. It's not bearish overall. So a little bit half pumped candle back. So we cannot decide on this one that the particular pair is bearish. So thank you, Ryan. So you will learn like this, and you will it will make a good trader. Just try your best to catch as much as trading sessions with me. Okay, so for example, guys, if you talk about New Zealand USD, even if you have any of them recommend me with that trade, I will simply say a big no, because look at the pattern. It's completely flat, so you should not go near to those charts who have a flat pattern here. Simply get rid of that charts. So I'm already telling you in advance that no one should be recommend me with any buy or sell on New Zealand USD because it's already flat. And also the same situation is going on AED USD, completely for flat momentum. So guys, we cannot trade that one. Okay, guys, it is your trading live room. So you will suggest me the trades, and I will simply execute those trades. Just make sure that they have some momentum in the market, that they should not be, flat pairs. So guys, I'm open to suggestions. You can simply post your trades here, and those subscribers who are watching this trial live stream, if they have not pressed the like button till now, then guys, it's not good, because I can see that there is only 12 likes over the screen, and there are more members here in our chat room, in our trading live room. So please press the like button and start sharing this live streaming with everyone, so that we can have a live stream for the maximum period of time. Thank you guys, you started liking. So those others who are watching the live stream, so please press the like button, so that I can be appreciated that we are doing the live trading, not on demo account. It's the Exodus Real One account, and you can see here. Okay guys, we are stuck in between the trades due to the slow momentum of the market, but overall these all trades except one of the trade, that is Great Britain Bond JPY, that was triggered by me, but overall rest of the trades are fine. They are just running on the smaller losses, so I'm open to the suggestions. So if you think anything about the different pairs, then guys, you can post your suggestions here. We can keep like 10 trades maximum at the same time. So like we have right now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so we can execute two more trades, guys. If you have any suggestions about the trades, then we can keep these trades. And basically the main purpose of making this live stream is to guide you people about how to trade forex and how to use this trading system, especially because some people think that this trading system is not good. So it is a very powerful trading system, and you can do extremely well with it. So it's just more about the learning, and about this, that if you want to subscribe to my signals list, and then you can simply email me on info at the rate of 200forexpips.com, and for every inquiry you can contact me on that particular email. Okay guys, come up with your suggestions, because it looks like that you people are making me bored. No suggestions from your side, so just take the best advantage from your brain. Just think over the charts and tell me what do you think about any particular pair, and we will simply execute that trade. Right now, the less losing trade is Euro, Great Britain Pound. Otherwise, the rest of the trades are normally going into the losses right now. So we cannot trade this one. So overall at the oversold levels, it's going up. Sell AUD JPY. Okay, that's the recommendation from Sai Sarkar ji. Is this someone? I think so. That like this. Tabani said, how are you doing today? I'm good, thank you so much. Welcome to my trading room, brother. So, what was your suggestions about JPY? So, guys, remind me again, because your comment went invisible because you are not using the super chat option. So, let me buy Euro JPY and sell AUD JPY. Sorry, okay. I have sold AUD JPY and buy Euro JPY. Hi Ashish, welcome back. So Ashish said Euro JPY buy. So I'm going to take a buy position on Euro JPY simply. Okay guys, now we have enough trades on the screen, so no more recommendations till now, unless we do not get cleared with some of the trades. So meanwhile guys, now it's the time to ask your questions. So simply keep on posting your questions here, so that meanwhile we will be watching the trades as well, and I will reply to your inquiries. So maybe this could be the 1 hour session with you guys. So right now we are going to the question and answer session, because if you look at the trades 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, we have went to the maximum. So that's what we can do, because overall you also have to think that today it is Monday, and we don't want to lose our funds as well, because Monday is normally slow. So now we will see. That's why I was also closing my trades on the smaller profits, because I was not doing much with it, because I know it's Monday, and the markets are normally slow. Okay guys, the less losing trades are AED JPY right now and Euro Great Britain Pound right now, but rest of the trades are not into the good behavior till now, but let's see, maybe they will come with the passage of the time. So guys, your suggestions are highly welcome, and now we are not open to the suggestions, so we are now open to the question and answer session. So guys, keep on posting your questions and I will reply to your questions. It's very important because you will also learn from the question and answer session. So come up, guys, start questioning right now, and I will keep on answering your questions. Just make sure that your questions should not be personal in nature, so that you can also get a reply from my side. So let's get started with the question and answer session, guys. Okay, let me have a look at the charts. Okay, guys, most of the charts are very, very slow, not good for trading at the moment. So maybe we will check tomorrow that what the market does tomorrow, because even if you look at $100 JPY, it pumped up, then to the slow momentum, then it went down. Okay, what do you think about Great Britain Pound USD? So let me have a look on Great Britain Pound USD. So because there are a lot of charts here. So Ashish said, Ashish, right now, if you talk about the scalping, then overall it's into the overbought levels right now, just for the scalping purpose, because I am not going to reveal the full day trading signal that is inside my signals report. That's the report that I have sent to the subscribers for the 13th of April 2020. So overall, I'm as per the scalping, so you can do some bearish type of scalping as per your own risk. It depends on you, but overall I'm bearish on Euro USD based on the 1 hour chart only. So I'm not going to tell you about the full day analysis right now. So maybe we will discuss later. Okay, guys, any other question? Because your question will keep this live stream for the longer period of time. Otherwise, we will close this. Do you wait to Great Britain Pound come back to profit, or you close it on how many pips close? Okay, now let me tell you, Ryan. Ryan said, okay, Ryan, for example, let's say that if it keeps on dropping like this, then simply I will get rid of that trade. And then what will I do? That, for example, I traded this with the one lot size, then I will increase my lot size and I will take a position on any pair where I will find the opportunity. Like I did in the early session of the day, for example, I already come up with some losses, overcome losses on AUD USD. We had a loss on 896. Then I come up with some of the trades from my side, and then 188, 180, 150, 18.55200, and then I started recovering that account. But I do not hold my trades like this, like this, like this. So simply I will wait for the a little bit move here. So because on the 4 hour I do not see any bearish signal right now. So I will wait for the market to at least 4 hours, 6 hours. So maybe if it in between the 6 hours it starts to make the bearish pattern, then definitely I will get rid of that trade. Okay, Ryan, thank you so much. Hopefully you must be clear, because early close is also not recommended, because okay, and rest of all, if you talk about my signal reports, then it is mentioned in the signal report that 50 pips is the stop loss for all trades. You should not wait more than it. Overall, if you look at the loss, then loss is just ranging, because it's just making the downward and then slightly upward. It's not getting a very good downward pressure at the moment right now. So overall, not as good for trading. So let's see. But overall, if you look at the volatility that came in the previous 3 to 4 hours, that was bullish trend we have seen on Great Britain Pound JPY. What do you think about AED JPY? I took for sell for 100 pips TP. Okay, Sai Sarkar, you are going for 100 pips take profit. So first of all, let me tell you that the person who recommended me with a sell position on AUD JPY was pretty wrong, because if you look at the approach here, then you can see why you have recommended with a sell position when the market is just into the ranging, and that's already I advised many times, do not suggest me with the trades that are ranging. 11 minute to next candle, then it will go up. Yeah, maybe, let's see. So brother, let's come back to AGT JPY. So guys, do not recommend me any trades when you see that it's a flat momentum. So here you cannot predict easily that it's bullish or bearish. You are putting yourself into the risk. So overall, there was a recommendation from my subscriber. That's why guys, I have taken a sell position on AUD JPY, but overall a very loose momentum right now. We cannot see any kind of momentum. So guys, that's why this is the mistake that I'm pointing it right now. That's why you get stuck with most of the trades that you think that it's gonna bullish or it's gonna bearish at that level. So you simply stuck with that trades because you're because first of all, you have not read the behavior of the market. So, guys, if you are not good in reading the behavior of the market, then definitely you are not going too well in this forex market. Then you will simply keep on losing the trades. Otherwise, uh, I'll not say anything else more than this, because now you can understand what I am talking about. They do not take any trade when the market is simply flat, and that was the recommendation by one of my subscribers who recommended me with a sell trade on that pair. So guys, just make sure that you should not trade such pairs which are completely flat, otherwise you will be in a big loss. Okay guys, today I will rely on smaller profits, because you know that I also want to get rid of these 10 pairs that we have just executed during that session, and as well as we will have to understand that today is Monday, and the Monday the market keeps the slower momentum, so we will have to see that we should not take much risk with our trading as well. So guys, this is how market is behaving right now. We are mostly stuck in between most of the trades, so do not worry about it, they will get cleared. Otherwise, for example, if the trades keep on going in the negative side, I will simply close these all trades, and I will take one trade with a massive lot size, and I will manage to cover up everything. So basically what I am doing, I'm just trying to teach you everything. So right now there is no volatility, so we cannot rectify so many mistakes, but overall I tried my best to rectify few of the mistakes till now. So guys, if you believe that you are making mistakes on a certain level, then you can ask through the inquiry here, because maybe I understand the scenario and I can guide you with that one as well. So you can simply ask your questions, that's not a problem guys. So overall, we have a one good trade with the good lot size on one on Great Britain pound JPY. Rest of the trades recommended by all of my subscribers were taken with the 0.10 lot size. So let's see how everything goes. But overall, guys, I was pretty sure about today that today is Monday, and I also have sent a note to my subscribers that, to be honest, that you should be do safe trading, especially on Mondays. Okay, guys, any questions? So you can ask during that live session, because I'm open to the questions. Right now, we have done the streaming for 51 minutes and 53 seconds. So maybe we are going to close this session after 5 minutes, or maybe after 7 minutes, depends on you that how many questions you ask. So if you have any questions, so simply drop the questions here, and I will answer to your questions simply. So keep on posting your questions so that I can answer it. Maybe I'm not sure, because the market is right now very slow. So not sure, maybe we will do the evening session or not, because we want some volatility to do scalping in the market. Otherwise, these sessions will not be useful for us. So you can just learn from the mistakes, but overall you cannot make as much as you can from that one. Okay, Euro JPY, that was a recommendation I think from I'm not sure who was one. Ashish maybe. He recommended us with a buy position. Close JPY or JPY. Okay, Ashish, I'm also going to get rid of that one at a smaller profit, just a small, just a few. So Ashish, you were there. Your suggestion was pretty right, because overall, guys, the market is into the oversold levels and it's making the bullish pattern. That's why Ashish advised us with the buy position on Euro JPY. That was a fine call, but overall I have closed it at a smaller, very small profit, because I don't want to risk much, because right now the market is getting slow. So let's wait. Okay, that was I think Moazzam or some Rian who was asking about Great Britain pound JPY. So Moazzam, look at here, again a pushback we have seen on Great Britain pound JPY, and from 122 the loss is reversed to 90.78. So guys, we cannot quickly decide that how this pair is going to be into the direction, but that's my personal trade that I have taken. I have taken a buy position on Great Britain pound JPY. That's my personal trade, so I will wait for that trade, and let's see how this trade performs into the later part of the day. But overall, guys, the rest of the trades are completely based on my subscribers' opinion, and simply whatever they have said, I have simply executed at those trades at my end, and we are trading the live account, real account. We are not trading the demo account. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, then please let me know here. Otherwise, we will have to end up with this live streaming. So I'm giving 2 minutes to you. To all my subscribers, if you have any questions, then please you can simply ask your questions here in this live streaming. And moreover, guys, if you are looking to get something from me like indicators and want to join to my signals, want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching and everything, for this you need to set up your appointment on info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. Okay, Rayan was I bought it at low prices 13.86. Okay, that is fine, but normally I do not do like this. This is not my trading style, because it could be a bit risky in that you go with this. But overall, I take one trade at the same time. But sometimes, guys, when we were doing scalping, we have also taken two times trades, but not all the time. So right now, if it was like Wednesday, Thursday, when the market momentum is normal, then we can say that we can take more trades. Otherwise, we cannot do a double buy at such levels. Okay, guys, any further question? We have just 1 minute with this trading session, and after 1 minute, we will go offline because today the market is slow. So, what we can do, we can not do anything. So, if you have any questions, then you can drop it. I will answer within that 1 minute. So, just post your questions here if you have any. Yes, Rosie said USD JPY no volatility. You can see I'm just going to zoom that one. Look, it was pumped up again. It's back into the normal level. What do you do with these open trades? What you do? So Ashish, no problem. Let's see if any of the trades go into negative. I will simply close them and then I will improve my lot size. So I use the lot size up to 10 normally. So I can go up to 10 and I can cover up the losses. That's not a problem. So basically, you come back anytime today. So maybe Ryan, we are going to do session in the evening, but overall the market is slow, so it depends on the market because does not depend on me. And if I will have some time, and if the market will not be if it will be slow, then definitely I will not be coming online for live streaming. Otherwise, definitely we are going to do live streaming. So maybe so tomorrow again we will check at the same time. So if the market is fine, so tomorrow again we will see that how market behaves. But overall, I can suffer from losses with no problem, so that's not a problem at my end. So if your trading suggestions goes into loss, I will manage them. Yes, it is due to holidays because I told you, Ashish, that I received the mail from my broker that there are some Eastern holidays, or what they have said. I think they have some Easter holidays going on, so that's why also. And they also said me that due to the low liquidity and the low investors into the market, they have also increased the spread ratio. And because overall, you know that the disease that is widely spread in the world, so it's affecting this market as well. Yes, that's Easter. So they have told me about that Easter holidays. Also, I have asked a question because I executed a trade on Friday on Great Britain pound JPY. Luckily, it went up and I took my profit on that trade, but the spread was deducted a lot from my side. So I asked my broker, because overall the Exness is a very good broker. So I asked them that why the spread was high on Friday. So that they told me that there was holidays. Okay, guys, if you look at the USD JPY, we have received a buy signal from the scalper in the form of white arrow. Hopefully, you all can see this white signal. So, a buy position is suggested by the scalper at the oversold levels. And, guys, I mostly trust the scalper when the market is at the oversold levels. Anyhow, guys, let's end up this session because right now the market is slow, not good for trading. So I will also have to manage these trades and the other accounts as well. So see you probably, guys. See you tomorrow. So if you have any questions regarding the live stream and even regarding the forex tradings, then guys, you can simply contact me on info at the rate of 200forexpips.com, and then you will get a reply from my side. So guys, I thank you all traders who come to this live stream. Thank you. Yes, I will not close this. I will keep the trades running for some period of time, and then I will check it. If it giving is more losses, then I will show you a direction on yours. You can rely on this. Muhammad Umar said, Muhammad Umair, whenever we do not rely on the signals during the middle on the scalper, because if the scalper points out with a buy or a sell position at the red boundaries, then only we rely on the scalpers. Otherwise, guys, we do not rely on the scalper blindly. So at the oversold levels, it has given us a buy signal. So let's see how it goes. But overall, the market is not good to trade. So see you tomorrow. Thank you. See you tomorrow as well from Ashish. So guys, hopefully, let's see tomorrow that how market goes. So overall, guys, I say goodbye from my side. Thank you very much. Happy trading. And for any inquiries, contact me on my email. Thank you so much, guys.